A large crowd gathered tonight, hoping to be able to save what it calls a crucial piece of Canadian history. For Paul Rolland, the loss is personal.
How many of us can go back 200 to 50 to 300 years and say this is where my ancestors lived?
This is what's left of where that ancestor, Gabriel Lenoir dit Rolland, lived and worked in the early 1700s. He was the first apprentice tanner in Quebec. Earlier this summer, construction crews discovered the ruins of the tanning village called Saint-Henri-des-Tanneries, buried beneath layers of dirt and asphalt. And now the city and the province have decided to destroy it.
We cannot keep it as it is because it is going to be in the middle of a highway. It's really as simple as that. It is not an ideal location.
Instead, 150 boxes filled with relics gathered from the site will be preserved and eventually accessible to the public. They contain everything from tools of the trade to bottles and dishes. A 3D scan of the area will also be taken. But historians say that's not good enough, arguing this settlement needs to stay.
Having a place where people can come and see what was a village from 1750 to 1850 in Montreal.
Not a practical idea, says the government, since the site is in the middle of Quebec's busiest highway interchange, serving 100 million people each year.
If there was any possibility to keep it as it is, we would have kept it.
Archaeologists will continue their work here until the end of the month. It's expected the foundations will then be removed and construction that had been put on hold will resume. Vanessa Lee, CTV News, Montreal.